These are $60 freaking goggles too.
Alright. We're filming.
What? I told me that those kids are in the movie 2012.
That's him, yeah.
How'd they get in?
I have no idea. I don't know, but it's crushed. Yeah.
I think I was in a video of yours once.
Oh yeah.
At the glass.
I shot you.
I shot you.
Tim, I haven't played with you in so long.
We're missing our squad though.
Now we can like smash ball hits together.
No! How about no?
No, I only smash ball it when I know I know.
That's just the way.
I like how the battery Loretta's in this thing. Just call me Mr. Guns. I have a backup for my backup, and a pistol.
And a backup for your backup.
No, sorry. Oh no, wait. Boom! There it is. Yeah, we're gonna get raised. Oh yeah, we got you.
None of us guys will both go back to school, right? No, I know how to beat fire.
I don't think a backpack's necessary, but yeah, alright.
No, you just have to use your flashlight.
I shoot the shit out of you guys, just to let you know. We're gonna camp. Like Call of Duty style. You always win the camp.
I play Battlefield, but yeah, sure.
Battlefield's fucking sick.
Yeah, I love it.
Honestly, I don't even play it because I just drive around.
Oh, I just wait for the jets. That's all. I hate to admit, I just wait for. I haven't played in a while, but I just waited for. No, wait. I can't remember. I haven't played the game in a while.
Alright guys, the middle front.
Yo. This kid's slap.
I'm out the French teacher as well. French and
It's G&G. It should hold up.
Is that the blowback one?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
It's sport line though, but you know it's fine.
My video?
Maybe. You're gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna call you that tactical Arab guy.
Really? Why?
Maybe. I don't know. It's wearing that weird thing. I don't know.
Schmag?
Yeah, schmog.
I ordered my Mitch and it's coming in 7 days.
Oh, nice.
So now I won't look like an Iraqi.
Yeah. Iraqi Special Forces. This is tactical.
What's your channel?
My channel. I don't have a channel. I'm probably gonna start one up with my friends, but they're not here today, so I'm just gonna film, post on Facebook, show my friends this is what I do.
Are you in QLI?
What?
QLI? Airsoft Exchange?
Nah.
Get on there. Everybody here is here. You just sell and trade stuff. Get it for like $100 cheaper.
Oh, really? I don't come down here often enough to know about that. I want to, but
Yo, Lance
Might come-
said he wants your autograph.
might come here next week too.
Alright guys, listen up.
What is that, like legit Masada?
Yep.
Nice.
Mag.
Gearbox fuck up yet?
No?
Oh, wow, I'm surprised.
Pink will be yellow, blue blue.
Hate proprietary parts.
Far, blue is close.
I'm going back.
Got my eyes on
Go!
Watch the gun on my back. I have one. It's just I don't use it for airsoft. Actually, no, I do, but I'm gonna start up one with my friends. Yeah, the account name is Twinkle's Pussmaster. So that's not really like legit.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna remember that, but whatever.
Twinkle's Pussmaster 61.
You
That's,
forget that. Twinkle Puss. Like I'm not.
is that a master of puss, son?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah, but I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna post this yet. I'm just gonna film, edit, wait for the new channel.
Yeah, you can slow it down from there.
Yeah, all else fails. Scar on my back. This MP5 sucks.
Yo, Damo. A lot of people want to record videos. Damo, can you read it? There's a reason why no one's going left.
Keep it on the right. I can't do that one. Yep. Pink. Wow, that was yeah. Yo, I'm all back there.
No, how'd that go that way?
No, run. He's like, that's what I did, yo. Yo! That way. They're all that way.
Mag won't feed.
I would give you a mag, but I use a Scar Heavy in the MP5. So that you can try MP5. Nice trigger response. What do you have, like how do you get trigger response? I don't know how to do that.
If you buy like a brand new trigger, a contact.
Oh, alright.
That's a lot.
They're all out of stock though. Let's go. Yo, MP5. Yo, kid with the MP5. Let's go this way. 3 mans. Yo, you're in? You in with us?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Clear! Clear!
Hey! Right there. Right. Yeah, you can move up.
Good? Alright, fuck. Sorry, gotta run. Gotta be fast. Oh, sorry, that's your spawn. Oh my god. Alright, I'll go out.